The 2015 Kia Optima Hybrid. The all-new Kia Optima Hybrid offers the style and performance of the Kia Optima, with the added benefits only found in hybrid vehicles, including the idle stop and go function, which automatically switches off the engine when the vehicle is idle. If you are looking for a quality, high-performance hybrid you can feel good and green about driving, look no further than the Optima Hybrid. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, front air conditioning, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.